Hey freelancers! Are you tired of wasting time on repetitive work, struggling with perfect writing, or finding the right voice for your projects? Well, good news! In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful AI tools that can supercharge your productivity, help you work smarter, and even make more money as a freelancer. So, let's dive in. And make sure you stick to the end for a bonus tip to 10x your freelance workflow. Tool number 1. Tome AI Presentation Assistant. Whether you're a freelancer creating proposals, pitch decks, or client reports, Tome will literally blow your mind. Just give it a topic or a few bullet points, and Tome uses AI to generate a fully designed presentation, complete with visual layout, headings, subpoints, and even images. Example, let's say you need to pitch your SEO services. You write, SEO proposal for e-commerce website, and boom. Tome gives you a beautiful 7-slide pitch, complete with benefits, stats, and a call to action. Why freelancers love it? Saves hours of designing, works for client onboarding, marketing decks, training slides. It looks professional without needing PowerPoint or Canva skills. Tool number 2, Grammarly, your AI writing assistant. If you send emails, write blog posts, or submit proposals, Grammarly is your best friend. It's more than a spell checker. Grammarly improves tone, rewrites your sentences for clarity, and even helps you sound more confident. Smart example. Instead of writing, I'm writing to let you know ... double quotes. Grammarly might suggest, just a quick note to update you ... Sounds better, right? What makes Grammarly great? Works everywhere, Gmail, Word, Notion, Upwork. Helps with formal, casual, and persuasive tones. It also detects overused words, passive voice, and more. Freelancers who write better, earn better. And Grammarly makes sure your writing is always polished. Tool number 3. AI voiceover generator. Need to create a client ad, YouTube video, or reel with voice but don't have a mic or clear accent? Use AI to turn your script into professional voiceovers using AI-generated voices. What you get? Over 120 plus realistic voices. Multiple accents: US, UK, Australian, Indian, pitch, speed, and emotion control. Just copy your text, choose a voice, and Merv speaks it out. Perfectly clear, human-like voiceover ready to download. Freelancer use cases: YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, audiobooks, Fiverr gigs. It's also great if you're camera shy or need content fast. Want links to these tools? Check the description below. I've added free sign-up links and any current offers. Have a favorite AI tool for freelancing? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your freelancer friends. See you in the next one. And until then, work smart with your eye.